Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and return items on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your Amazon app, or can be official website of Amazon from your browser. Now go ahead, sign in as well. Right over there you will tap on this profile icon on top and go to your orders and tap on see all. So once you have done so, you will be able to see all of your orders. Currently I do not have any, but you have done. If you want to return some order, you will be able to see your order right over there. All you have to do is choose the order and select a return or replace items that will be given, and then you have to select the item you want to return, then select an option from the reason for return menu, and then you would simply choose a reason for your to process your return and simply submit the return request. For more information, you can simply choose to go to return to third-party sellers as well. If you don't receive a response within 2 business days, you can request an A to Z guarantee refund as well. Other than that, after you have completed the 4th step, you will be able to select your return payment method, and you have to afterwards print your return label and return authorization, add your return label and packed item for return. Once you have packed it done, pasted the label, you will be able to return that particular item and get the refund for it just likewise there. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.